Okay kids, gusto nyo ba yung mannapack? Sino yung kumakain ng mannapack? Taas ang kamay!
This year, a total of 107,946 children and 5,122 pregnant and lactating women benefited from the Hapag-Asa Integrated Feeding Program all over the country, providing mannapack-fortified rice to improve their nutritional status through supplemental feeding. These numbers are nothing without the efforts and sacrifices of those who are involved in the program. Allow us to share the story on our journey to reach our targets. "2023 is a game changer for the Hapag-Asa team. The team focused most of its activities and interventions in promoting the Hapag-Asa program to different dioceses and organizations, building new partnerships and re-engaging with old implementing partners, implementing various capacity building activities to enhance the capacity of the partners, providing funding assistance to selected implementing partners, monitoring of partners and their feeding sites, and shipping and hauling of mannapack rice to project areas." More than that, the Hapag-Asa team gave importance on how the implementing partners appreciate their whole experience in implementing the Hapag-Asa program.
It is a long-term solution with regards to the nutrition problem.
It's a feeding program which is holistically in approach. Like, we just don't feed the children, but we focus on giving the parents and the children also the formation sessions, which is very much needed, not just for the parents and for the children, but to the entire community.
Hapag-Asa program is helping in the reduction of malnutrition cases in our country.
Ang Hapag-Asa Feeding Program po ay hindi lang kalusugan yung hinatupag nila, yung pagmamahal, pagtulong at yung malasakit sa kapwa, yun yung sentro ng samahan ng Hapag-Asa.
Totoong-totoo na mahalaga sa aming asosasyon ang programa ng Hapag-Asa. Isa yan sa katuparan na minimithi ng aming asosasyon papakain ng mga bata, lalo na sa nangangailangan.
Each partner may have a unique view of what the Hapag-Asa program is, but they share an understanding of how the program contributes to the lives of the children and their families and of the community.
The Hapag-Asa feeding program helps the children a lot. First, in their physical appearances before they are physically weak. After the feeding, you will see them bubbly, all smiling with lovely faces, and was able to mingle with other children. They become more sociable. For the family, they were able to save a certain budget during lunchtime. The budget that intended for that goes to the other needs of the family. For the community, the barangay officials have a sort of inspiration that indeed they have a partner, they have someone who can rely, who can help them.
Doon po sa community namin, malaki po ay yung tulong ng Hapag-Asa Feeding Program, lalong-lalo na sa mga bata, dun sa pamilya. Kasi po, natatandaan ko po nung nag-interview kami ng isang magulang doon, sabi po niya na maganda po yung naidulot ng Hapag-Asa Feeding Program dahil po yung mga batang walang pagkain, walang baon tuwing tanghali, nakakakain na po sila. So alam po, nasisigurado po ng mga magulang, bawat magulang na hindi magugutom yung mga bata nila dahil may pagkain araw-araw dahil po yun sa feeding program.
With the case of the family, especially the parents, we are helping them to be aware of their responsibilities to their children. We are helping both the parents and the children. There will be less burden for the community.
Pala, itong pagpapakain, kahit ordinaryong pagministro lamang, nagre-reconcile yung mga pastor, nagyayakapan, doon sila nagkikita, doon, nagre-reconcile sila eh. Yun, sabi yung iba, patawarin mo ako, pastor, dahil ganito. Yun, yan isang nagbibigay ng peace sa mga may konting alitan.
Looking at the gains and the joy of the program beneficiaries, the children and their families, we can say that all the challenges encountered by our partners have not been in vain.
Guilty is raising certain amount for the meal subsidy or for the dish because we cannot just feed the children with a pure mannapack rice. The second is the parents, because we know coming from poverty areas, they will have to work. So their participation in cooking or sometimes information is very challenging.
So sa amin po sa community, yung mga parents po na inactive sa yung mga clusterization nila sa pagluluto ng pagkain ng mga bata. Kasi kung walang mga parents na nagluluto, pumupunta sa paaralan, nahihirapan yung mga guro sa paghahanda ng pagkain. Lalong-lalo na nagtuturo pa yung mga teacher.
Yung continuity, yun bang itutuloy or ang pagpapatuloy dun sa pagsiservisyo natin?
It was a challenge that wasn't easy to address, but it became an opportunity for them to generate significant learnings and insights.
Na tumuklas ng mga ingredients upang sa itong ating mga recipient hindi sila magsasawa.
We should never give up. First, we should always trust God. God will never abandon, especially for these children who needs help. God will always find a way. Someone will just come along, will answer our prayers in order for us to sustain, make valuable impact to the community. And Hapag-Asa program is more organized. We're able to really plan all the steps along the way. And for improvement, I just hope that more guidance coming from the team, part of the monitoring tool, which is, we hope and pray it will be more easier so that our partners on the ground, especially the teachers and the volunteers, will really also have an easy time in encoding or preparing the data needed.
Sana magpatuloy yung ugnayan ng Hapag-Asa at saka Malita Taga-Colo Mission upang magpatuloy na matulungan yung kabataang Taga-Colo.
This year has been quite a roller coaster ride for the team, since most of us are still continuously learning on the ways and hows of the program. But this journey became so much more easier with all the support each team member provided to one another, and with all the support and trust given to us by everyone. Our partners, our donors, the volunteers, and especially ADFI. With that, we would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to everyone. We hope for your continued support to the Hapag-Asa program next year and the years to come to reach more undernourished and vulnerable children, pregnant and lactating mothers.